what it is, and it doesn't come back to anything.
My camera is blocking the top.
Yeah, do you have your driver's license, ma'am? Do you have an actual driver's license?
No, that is my ID. I'm an American state national.
Okay, that's not a thing.
Yeah.
Do you have a registration and valid proof of insurance?
I'm not engaging in the commercial use of the highways or byways, nor am I operating in a for-hire capacity. I'm a foreign national exempt from foreign law under Amendment 11 of both the Constitution and the Constitution of the United States, and I claim all my exemptions.
Okay, so do you have any other documentation from the United States government saying that you're exempt from these, or that you're
I don't have my paperwork in the car with me, but I do have it.
Okay.
And that's my form of ID, and those are my private plates on the car.
Okay, this is a passport. Okay, so I'm aware of your group that you're with. This doesn't grant you any rights to drive.
Please run my passport?
I will. Do you have a driver's license in any state in the United States?
No.
No? Okay. Do you have any other documentation, nothing from the United States government saying you have diplomatic immunity?
My paperwork is at my house.
Okay, are you aware that in the United States, when you're a diplomat inside the United, are you claiming to be a diplomat? Is that what you're saying?
No, I'm a foreign state national.
Right. So,
That's what I am.
So you're a foreign state national.
Yes, and
but
if you run my
you're claiming
passport,
diplomatic immunity, correct?
If you run my passport, you'll be able to see my documents there. It reflects.
So do you have a
status.
driver's license in any state in the United States?
That is my form of ID, sir.
Do you have a driver's license? That's not my question. Do you have a driver's license? You do not. Okay.
No, that is my form of ID.
Do you have a registration or a valid proof of insurance for the vehicle? It's a yes or no question.
No.
Okay. Any particular reason he wasn't seatbelted?
No,
he was hanging out the wind. Yeah, but when we were behind him, he didn't have his seatbelt on.
Away from school.
Okay, where did you obtain that tag?
From foreign state national guy in Alabama who makes the plates.
Okay. So you're aware that in the United States and in the state of Florida, you're required to have specific tags that actually go to the vehicle and is registered. Are you aware of that?
My private automobile.
Okay. You've been filled with some false information. So in the state of Florida, you're required to have a driver's license.
I'm not sure many people are aware.
We are. I have read a lot about the foreign state nationals.
I don't know. I feel like they give people a bad rap because I've been in situations before where I try to explain to them and they keep calling me sovereign.
All right, folks, buckle up because this is about to get wild. We've got a traffic stop that starts routine but spirals into absolute chaos. Meet our driver. She claims she's a foreign national exempt from law under Amendment 11. Yes, you heard that right, and she's convinced traffic laws just don't apply to her. On the other side, we have calm, no-nonsense officers just trying to do their job, and they're about to face one of the most dramatic, head-scratching encounters of their careers. Oh, and did I mention she has her kids with her? Yep, front row seats to this epic showdown. Over the next few minutes, you're going to see legal theories clash with reality, emotions explode, and a basic traffic stop turn into a full-on lesson in consequences. Stick around. This
tell you right, but it'll explain it as a
essentially
citizen.
Essentially, it's a sovereign. It is a sovereign citizen entity. Do you have keys to the vehicle? Can you hand me the keys?
No, I cannot.
Okay, step out of the car for me. Get out of the car. Unlock it. Can you unlock it?
Your call has been forwarded to voicemail.
Step out of the car.
my God.
Step out of the car. 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 Stop. Stop. You're gonna get chased. Get out of the car now. Get out of the car. You just kicked me. Get out of the car now. Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Get your hands behind your back. Stop. Stop.
Off your phone. I know she's your mom. 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 Your mom's fine, okay? Go back in the car. Go back in the car. It's okay. We're gonna come take her to the grass and you guys can talk to her, okay? Step away from her.
It's already bad enough my father was arrested. I don't need her arrested too. She's the only person I have. Please.
Step back over here.
Please, I'm sorry.
Go back to the car, please. Your mom's gonna be okay. Your mom's gonna be okay.
Just don't.
We're not gonna hurt her. Your mom's gonna be okay.
She's the only person I have.
Okay.
Nothing wrong.
Okay.
Please.
Okay.
These are my children.
Okay.
Please.
Go back in the
Come here.
car. Get these kids away from me.
They forced me out of my car. They dragged me on the floor like an animal. I did nothing at all. I just
Stand
picked
up.
my children up from
Stand up.
school.
Watch your phone.
Walk over to that car.
I can't believe you're doing this.
Grab that one too.
I did nothing wrong.
Come here, bud. Come here, bud.
No.
Hey, come on. Step over here.
Now, watch closely as she kicks off her little legal manifesto. She refuses a standard driver's license, registration, or proof of insurance, claiming she's a foreign national exempt from law. Here's the thing, in the US, there is no Amendment 11 that lets you ignore traffic laws. This is a classic sovereign citizen move, repackaging wild internet theories as actual legal protections. The officer, however, stays calm, asking the same simple questions. Do you have a license? Registration? Insurance? Each refusal is like watching someone trying to turn Facebook law school into a real-life courtroom. And notice the emotional intensity here. She's not just arguing, she's performing, hoping confusion will win the day.
Okay, I understand you're doing your job and all that, but I did nothing wrong. And now you're forcefully pushing me into
Get in
the
the car. You're under arrest.
Why?
Because you kicked me. Battery on a law enforcement officer. You did. It's on camera.
did
You
not
did
kick
kick me.
you.
You did kick me.
No, I didn't.
Yes.
You were pushing me, pulling me out of my car.
Just come right here.
Yep.
Do you want some quick games like this?
I'm not playing any games.
Ask him for help. Is he okay?
He's fine.
Okay.
Do you have someone we can call that can pick the kids up?
I'm trying to call him.
Okay, well, I have your phone. Do you want me to try to call him for you? I'm not going to give you your phone. No. What's your PIN? Or you don't have to give me it, but I'm trying to
Well,
make a
can I
phone call
put
for
my
you.
pin in?
Sure.
Adult male detained, 14.
Just like a female first search if we have one.
Adult male background at 1446.
Hi, my love. Is there anything
No, they arrested me and they have the kids. I did nothing.
Move your foot.
And you dragged me out of my car. They dragged me out of the car.
Give me a second, let me see who I can find.
I'm trying to make a phone call. There's 3 kids in the car. They're freaking out right now.
Where are you going to be? Where are you?
Hi, this is Officer Fager with the Edgewater Police Department. Who am I speaking with?
This is Joshua. What's going on?
Are you Are you husband or father of the kid?
No, don't touch me!
I'm not going to touch you.
Are you able to try to respond to take the kid? She's under arrest for battery on a law enforcement officer and resisting an officer with violence.
That doesn't seem like her. I don't understand what's going on.
Okay, well, you can review the body camera footage because it was her. So, do you want to respond to take the kids?
Talk to Dad. Do you want to have a conversation?
Here's where it gets really interesting. The officer patiently explains that no matter what she calls herself, a foreign state national or American super citizen, she still needs a valid driver's license and properly registered tags. Every claim she makes about diplomatic immunity or exemptions is legally meaningless. And yet, she doubles down, even in front of her kids. This is the perfect storm of delusion and ego. She thinks saying fancy legal words cancels out real-world consequences. Meanwhile, the officer's calm repetition contrasts sharply with her theatrics, underscoring just how out of touch these pseudo-legal movements are. It's both cringe and fascinating to watch.
Tell them no,
we're going to then make you do it. That's just the way it works. This whole sovereign...
But it's still not right. They really
You
forced
committed a
me
crime.
to the crime. I did not hurt anyone. I was not committing a crime.
You committed
They dragged me out
You
of
committed
my
a misdemeanor
car
in the state of
by
Florida.
My legs, like
listen.
an animal.
Well, you kicked him.
Sir, I did not kick him. He's dragging my legs, and I'm trying to pull my legs back to sit up in my seat.
You were
so
driving.
if he got kicked, it was not intentional.
You were driving a motor vehicle that is unregistered in the state of Florida, which is a misdemeanor crime, punishable by jail and fines, so you can't go to jail for it.
And you are going to jail for it. You don't have a driver's license in the state of Florida. That's a misdemeanor. You're going to jail for that.
She said she used to have. So she paid
suspended.
$30. Well, no, I know. She paid $30 to this sovereign citizen group to get that tag because she's one of the foreign national things, and they told her you don't need a license anymore. You don't have to register. You don't have to do all this stuff.
Ask if it's okay if Maya, their next door neighbor, picks up.
Is it okay if Maya, your next door neighbor? Yes.
Hello.
Hello, are you Maya?
Yes, I am.
Gotcha.
6 Alpha 15.
You realize all
Pause for a moment and consider the kids in the back seat. While mom argues with the law like she's starring in her own legal drama, these children are watching every second. This isn't just a cringe-worthy spectacle, it's formative. They're seeing their parent deny reality, treat authority like a joke, and put everyone in danger. It's sad, but it's also a lesson. Actions have consequences, and the way parents handle authority can leave lasting impressions on children. If you're thinking this is just a funny video, think again. This is a front row view into a family dynamic that's teaching kids to ignore rules, laws, and common sense.
your car. Do you have a driver's license?
I do.
Can we see it so we can make sure? You realize in the state of Florida, your vehicle has to be registered, right?
It is registered.
Because it's been documented time after time after time that somebody tries to do this, and it's proven that it's false. It's not true. Okay? But ultimately, at the end of the day, you can't put your hands on a police officer. Not in the United States, not in the state of Florida, not in the city of Edgewater. Okay? There's repercussions to that. All right?
Did you get her on the
No.
sovereign thing, or
She's, well, her? Did she get you onto it? Because she has a tag too.
No, she's not.
She's your neighbor.
Who got
had
it first?
You or her?
She,
Did she turn you on to it? Say you could look into this?
no, but that's her own business. But I wanted to let it.
Oh, she has a business doing it?
No,
No, that's
it's
her
not
own.
like her.
Brace yourself, this is where things turn physical. After repeated refusals, the officers escalate, ordering her out of the car. She resists, kicks, and screams, creating chaos. This is textbook sovereign citizen escalation. Refusal to comply meets inevitable enforcement. What's striking is how patient the officers remain. They are careful, firm, and focused on safety, both theirs and the children's. Every order, every repeated instruction is meant to de-escalate, yet she doubles down. And notice her rhetoric, "I did nothing wrong," classic cognitive dissonance in action. Meanwhile, viewers are left on edge, witnessing a tense standoff that could have gone much
You guys have to have registered vehicles in the state of Florida. They have to be registered. That's the bottom line.
But here's the other thing you have to understand, right? Her vehicle's being towed, but she's walking home with your kids because of how she reacted. Okay? She didn't kick me. She didn't put her hands on a police officer, screaming at her.
Hold on a second.
Call me back and let me know. Oh, okay.
Hey, I'm right here. It's Sergeant Benz. You're going to be able to take her kids.
Yes.
You're going to receive a citation for unregistered motor vehicle. Your vehicle's going to get towed by Edgewater Towing, and you'll be able to walk home with the kids.
Did you hear that? They want to tow my car.
They can tow it. It's not.
And he can hear you on the speaker if you want to say something?
It's a vehicle that has 4 wheels, and it's powered by a motor. It is a motor vehicle, sir.
Except it's registered as automobile.
No,
It's
sir.
not a vehicle.
It's going to get towed. She's going to get a ticket, and she'll be on her way.
Okay, but it shouldn't be towed. But I mean, we're not causing a problem, but it should not be towed.
Well, it's not registered. The Florida registration on it was canceled, so therefore it's no longer registered.
Right, and she doesn't actually need a registration. It is a private property. It's private automobile. It's a part
And
of a
it's in
trust.
trust.
Where the officers show real skill. They separate the children from the chaos, reassure them, and make sure they're safe while processing the arrest. Listen to the calm, patient language, "Your mom's going to be okay." That's law enforcement at its best, balancing procedure with compassion. Meanwhile, the mother continues to argue, unaware of the bigger picture. Her behavior is endangering her family. This is a fascinating contrast: professional, rule-following officers versus someone steeped in pseudo-legal fantasy. It's an eye-opening moment for viewers, a reminder that real-life consequences are waiting for anyone trying to live in a legal bubble online.
It doesn't have to be registered. We have proof from the Department of Motor Vehicles, from Department of Transportation. It doesn't have to be registered.
They say the Department of Transportation is not real. I don't know what that means.
But again, it does not have to be registered, so please reconsider towing it, because that's in violation.
I got you.
Amendment 11.
Okay, I've reconsidered it, and it's still going to get towed, okay?
Are you towing her cars?
Where's it registered?
With the DOT, US DOT, with the transportation, your company, all your.
No, City of Edgewater. We don't work for DOT, ma'am.
I know you don't work, but.
So, well, you said my company. It's not my company.
But it is registered as a private property, and it's put in trust, so it should technically be treated differently than cars that are on roads that are in commerce, correct?
No.
Yes.
No.
What do you mean in commerce?
What law are you basing this off of?
Constitution.
Okay.
I have
The
a
U.S.
right.
Constitution talks about
And
commerce
Supreme-
vehicles.
And on Supreme Court, actually, if you have time and you want
Nope,
to
I'm not going to read any of your paperwork. You can bring that to your court date if you want.
see,
But
because
your
I'm
vehicle
not
is going to be towed
articulate,
today.
Right? But I do have a right to be without the driver license and without the
That's
registration.
not true. Not in the state of Florida, not in the United
so
States.
I would appreciate if you give me your business card.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
My name and everything's like that at the bottom of your ticket. The easiest thing for you to do is when you go to town court.
Do you have any questions or anything else you need to say? Because we're going to get her and the kids out of here before it starts raining. Okay?
Experience. That's all I can say. Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Are we free to go?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm on the hood.
And now, let's be honest, this has officially turned into a full-on clown show. She's arguing like she's got a Harvard law degree while clutching a passport in a sketchy PDF she bought online at 3 a.m. It's absurd, yes, but it also exposes the dangers of misinformation. Social media legal gurus might sound convincing in theory, but in practice, reality doesn't bend to their whims. And again, in front of her children. It's hard not to ask, what are these kids learning?